Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to do something simple. We're going to recreate the cover of Justice Number 10 that was drawn and designed by Alex Ross. The picture includes Clayface, Black Canary, and Green Arrow. So first we put Clayface from DC Comics Multiverse Batman vs. Clayface that was released by Mattel in 2014. Then we put Green Arrow from Series 5 of Justice DC Direct from 2007. Then Black Canary from Series 2 Justice from DC Direct from 2005. Now let's try another version. First we put Clayface from Imaginext by Fisher-Price that was released in 2011. Then we put Green Arrow from DC Universe Infinite Heroes that was released by Mattel in 2008. Then Black Canary, also from DC Universe Infinite Heroes that was released by Mattel in 2008 together with Green Arrow. Something simple. Recreating the cover of Justice Number 10 that was designed and drawn by Alex Ross using action figures from DC Universe DC Direct. Thank you so much for watching.